The red deflation valve is designed to turn in either direction to release air from the chamber. This valve can also be used during pressurization to customize the speed of inflation for greater comfort and to aid in the equalization of ear pressure. If uncomfortable ear pressure is felt, there are several ways to relieve this pressure. The first, pinch your nose, close your mouth, and try gently blowing out your nose. Repeat every time you begin to feel that pressure. This technique is called the Valsalva maneuver. Drinking water during inflation can help the pressure on your ears as well. Yawning or opening your mouth wide will also help. Lastly, chewing gum may help relieve this pressure as well. If the above suggestions do not resolve the ear pressure, open the red deflation valve until the feeling of pressure is gone. Then close the red deflation valve to continue to pressurize the chamber. The red deflation valve will allow you to control the speed of pressurization and to aid in equalizing the pressure on your ears.
Thanks for considering StrongWellness.com for your hyperbaric solution needs. Please call us at 612-867-0950.